Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be redoing slime. Like this one's really sticky. I didn't put enough activator in it. And I let it sit over the summer so it would be really crystal clear. Then it got really sticky. You can see, kind of sticky. So today I'm going to be putting slime things that are sticky, putting them into the bowl, so you can, the clear bowl, so you can see. And then I'm gonna put some more activator in it. So,
sounds great.
Mike.
The first challenge is to get it out of the bag.
Stop sticking everywhere. Okay. So sticky. Yucky.
Maya,
Yeah.
Dad said it looks like snuff.
What? It's not clear.
It's not clear.
Yeah. Okay, gotta go in with my hand. We gotta keep chopping.
Don't mistake this for snot. I thought it looked like the guts of a jellyfish.
And don't eat it.
Definitely don't eat this at home or anywhere else.
You're probably gonna have to go to the emergency room
Mm-hmm.
if you eat too much.
Now, I wouldn't worry about emptying the entire contents of that bag,
Yeah.
just enough.
Okay, is this enough?
Looks like it. Now, are you going to be mixing that with the purple?
No. Purple is.
I thought you were doing a challenge of mixing and fixing.
Mixing.
Mixing it up, fixing it up, mixing.
Okay, with the addition of a tablespoon of activator, tell us how it changes.
It changes by, and don't worry if your slime is already clear and you're watching this video and copying me. If your slime is already clear and it gets a little foggy, leave it for 4 days or a week, and then it'll clear up. 4 days, a week, or took me, or like maybe 36 days.
The challenge is to get it so it's not too tough, so that it remains stretchable and doesn't break,
Like this.
but also is not so sticky that it gets on everything.
Like the couch. Kind of pretty clear. Make sure it sticks off of your hands and off of the bowl. Like.
All right.
Okay, first slime completed.
Okay. Slime number 1, done. Once you're done, where are you gonna put the slime?
Maybe in another bag. Make sure, and if you want your slime to not stick to your hands, add a tiny bit of activator to it. Oh, and subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe, comment down below.
And, they can't comment. It's blocked.
Oh,
So you're
well, just subscribe.
well,
And give it a thumbs up.
Actually, I commented. I said, please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'm moving.
All right. My arms are getting tired.
Okay, hold on. Film me.
All right. Back to the slime project.
Pink.
Purple slime.
Miranda sing. Give this video thumbs up if you like Miranda sings.
We're big fans in this house. If you don't like Miranda sings, then
He just back off.
that's right.
Okay. Don't. I'm gonna throw this thing away. So glossy, ew. Okay. Number 2. Okay.
Are you putting that in the clear bowl as well?
No.
No.
It would be cool if we had a slime smoothie. But I want to mix my little slimes together. This one, my friend Noelle gave me. By the way, if you know her, Noelle, my name is Gummy Bear. She's my best friend in the entire world. We had a play date a few days ago. Oh, and we don't have a fan now. So, wait, I forgot to tell you about this slime. Okay. So there are beads in this slime, like this tiny green one. Oh, and whoever subscribes will be getting a huge giveaway in my next video. A huge giveaway.
Okay.
And when I'm older, when I do my YouTube channel, I might give away my Polaroid camera.
Wow.
If you give me 2K thumbs up.
2,000 thumbs up. 2K.
Okay, so this slime, I can take it all out on the counter. Because it is not sticky at all, even if you attach it to the couch. Noelle gave me this.
Wow.
So, it's like this. So thick. It's not ripping. Look, see, there's bead. Wait, let's see how this one's doing. It's Slimemania.
Slimemania. Now I want to see what happens when you put a little bit of purple with a little bit of clear.
Okay, I'll mix this much, do you think?
Mm-hmm.
And this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, nervous. Probably gonna look the same.
How light purple can it become?
This doesn't really mix. It's challenging. And if we get 10 hundreds, well, 2 million subscribers by next Monday, I will be doing a video of, well, actually it's a surprise. It'll be a video of me doing a slime smoothie of some of my slimes. I gotta make more. And they have to be perfect. Because if they're not perfect, it won't be a slime smoothie.
Okay.
By just taking away the bad ones.
All right, Maya Magic Love, can you wrap this up before my hands
Explode?
cramp up?
Here.
Sign off.
No.
Let your viewers know.
Wait! We have one more slime. It's gonna be a short one.
Did you fix the purple?
I'm just showing them the purple.
Oh, okay.
It's a show off.
All right, we fixed the clear slime. We showed you the fabulous purple slime that does not need fixing.
Yeah.
And for the finale, we will wait. Finally.
Neon slime. It's Nickelodeon slime.
All right. Might need to call for backup.
Back up! Okay.
Dun, dun, dun. Rate this slime.
If you don't think this is Nickelodeon slime, like Okay, that didn't just happen. Okay. If this looks like Nickelodeon slime, subscribe. Because I've been waiting all year for 2 million subscribers. And someone in my class has 2 million subscribers. His name is Ethan.
Or so he says.
What?
Or so he says.
Yeah. He might not.
You gotta ask him what his YouTube channel is called.
He plays Roblox.
Then we'll verify. All right.
What?
This is
Guys,
the green.
Wait, look. Oopsie.
All right. Say goodbye to your viewers. Signing off.
Can't do it with my other hand because my other hand blacks on. Okay, bye.
My magic love. We'll be back.
Wait, you just told me my Roblox name.
Oh, that's right. I meant the Amazing Friendship channel.
I play
We'll be
Roblox.
back.